dancing to your beat. Wanted to blend in, no self-expression, 'cause I wanted you to see I'm not so different, fit in your system.
Hi guys, it's another day and I have done absolutely nothing. I've been on my computer for a while. I didn't edit today's vlog, which is day 9. Now you guys are gonna, yesterday's vlog. Today, oh my gosh, okay. The vlog that came out on December 9th, which was yesterday, for you guys, this day for me, I didn't edit it until the 9th, you know what I mean? Anyway, hi. I don't know what I did, but my shoulder hurt so bad. I think I just slept on it funny. Ow. I don't know what to have. And like I really want, no, not gonna talk to you, wasting my time. You know what? I'm gonna make ramen. And I'm gonna boil an egg. Put that over. And while the water boils, I'm gonna go wash my face. See? Multitasking. I'm not good at doing one task at a time, but I can multitask. That makes sense. I have this little stand thingy on my, I just show you guys. I have this here. It has a little shelf on it, right? So I could just put you guys on here. The funny part is that this has been here for months. And I just realized I could use it to put the camera on. I'm so smart. Well, this is great if I'm gonna be like sitting on my toilet and talking to you guys, but not. I'm standing. If I do my skincare down here, then you guys can see it. Yeah. Okay, so here I am. Hi, how are you? I just started using this naturey skin conditioner. It's a Japanese product, and I really like Japanese and Korean skincare items because I feel like my skin just reacts better to them. There's something about it. Something about it that makes my skin happy. Okay, that is done. And then I go over it with my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Serum. This is like my favorite serum of all time. I really do feel like it improves my skin texture. Because for a while, my skin was feeling really bumpy. And it's starting to feel smoother now. Okay, you're in my cabinet again because having you on the little shelf thingy is not working right now. What? Also, I'm breaking out right here. Right here at the corner of my mouth. I absolutely despise it. I was actually able to like feel it coming yesterday. It's one of those ones that started beneath the skin and you can feel it like it has its own heartbeat, you know? This is just salicylic acid. I remember when I was a kid. Now, I didn't have really bad acne. I didn't have acne show up until I was 18. And then it decided to make up for all the years that it didn't show up for, right? But before that, whenever we heard people talk about acne, it was always, oh, it goes away when you're an adult. It's just something you deal with as a teenager, and then it goes away. You never have to worry about it again. Lies. Also, the little facial moisturizer I'm using right now is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer from Fresh. This literally smells like cucumbers. It's the most refreshing thing ever. All right, the water's boiling pretty hard. Just gonna slowly drop my egg in here. I didn't fill up the water enough, so part of the egg is just not gonna be submerged. It's fine, it's okay, she'll be okay. Gotta turn my timer on. Oh, almost dropped my phone. Oh, I ripped my pajamas. My desk drawer handle thingy got stuck in my pocket as I sat down and just tore it. And these are fairly new too. I just got them in like November. Yay! Anyway, I boil my eggs for just about 5 minutes. And then, that is an hour and 5 minutes, ma'am. No. Okay, just about 5 minutes. And then I submerge it in cold water until my ramen is done cooking. That way, it's really easy to peel and it's not overcooked and it's still like soft on the inside. While I wait, also I haven't changed my clothes ever since I woke up, so this is the shirt I slept in. While my egg soaks in cold water and my ramen cooks, I'm going to make a green tea latte the way I do it, which might not be correct, but it is how I make them. So I start off with matcha green tea. I'm going to put it into this little measuring cup here, right? But I'm going to sift it first because I don't have like the regular whisk thingy that they use, which I'm sure works better than a regular whisk. And I use just about a teaspoon of powder. And I use evaporated milk and condensed milk, which is now in a container because I opened the can already. Pour in my evaporated milk. This is better if it's at room temperature, but mine is cold. And then I add some condensed milk. This is based on taste, you know what I mean? So if you like it sweet, add more. If you don't want it to be sweet, then add less or just don't add any. So now we have our base. Lastly, just going to add some water. And altogether, I make about 1 1/4 of a cup. Then I grab my mug. Usually, this is the mug that I use for my matcha green tea lattes. But just so you guys can see how it looks, we're gonna use the glass one. Ooh, I hope I don't spill this. Alright, let's go. Oh no, I forgot. I usually pour it through the strainer again just to make sure that there are no lumps. And there it is. Okay, wow. These are all the towels that I had in here before. And the bottom shelf is clean. That's crazy. Usually I'm able to fit 3 sets on each shelf, but now I was able to fit 9 because I changed the way I fold it. I'm like really surprised. Really happy with that. And I have like so much more space. Alright guys, it's the end of the night. We are going to unbox our What are you doing?
Hello. It's me again.
Hello. We're going to unbox the... What's the words?
Advent.
Advent calendar. Thank you.
Yeah.
Remember, I think I mentioned it earlier today. I said that my neck hurt. I obviously hurt myself doing exercise, right? So I hurt this. And I hurt this. And my hips hurt. Like everything is so painful. Ow. Oh. Oh, that was bad. I keep on forgetting to do the Harry Potter one in the morning. I think we're just gonna make it a normal thing to do them both at night. Where are you?
I'm right here. Oh,
Oh, it's a tiny one.
the tiny one. Let me see.
No.
Let me see.
Wait your turn.
No.
What's wrong with you?
Feed me.
No. They just gave you dinner. And dessert.
Ooh.
It was brownies.
Oh.
Oh, it's Crookshanks.
Oh, look at a tiny little orange kitty. That's adorable.
Oh, it looks like Mr. O.
He just like him.
Except without a watery eye.
Yeah. He's like,
I put one thing on my Christmas list this year.
yeah, which is ridiculous.
One. I didn't even
So
want to
it's-
make a list. I know what came in the box today.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You have no idea what came in the box.
The tape says just do it.
It does not.
Yes, it does.
It says Itugagush. Okay? You don't know what it says in the box.
What is your problem, sir? Ah! Shock.
Shock!
She has her slingshot. Slingshot.
Slingshot? Her sling shot.
Do it more, maybe I'll get rid of my double chin.
No. Everything about you is perfect. Don't you forget it.
So there she is. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Also, I really appreciate everybody saying that they're going to miss the longer vlogs. Maybe I will make them longer than 10 minutes. Maybe we'll like inch it up to like 15.
We'll vary it up a little bit.
Yeah. I know you didn't
That's-
see the vlog yesterday, but I went on a short little rant. Well, actually, the real rant about my dad was like 20 minutes long, but I cut it down. I can only imagine what the neighbors think when I'm over here at home alone, yelling at no one.
They're probably like, she must have called Ernie up on the phone. You stupid! What's wrong with you?
I never call you stupid.
No, you never
What's
do.
wrong with you? Now you get to say the ending parts.
No, the ending parts. Bye.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
There's more to it.
Ow, ow, ow. Okay, let's see. If you liked everything you saw, you should no. You should like, comment, and subscribe.
You guys are staying safe and healthy.
Oh, okay. How do you do it? How do
Lots
you
and
do
lots
it?
of practice.
Lots and lots of practice. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed. No. I really hope, we really hope, that you guys enjoyed our video today. So please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Stay safe and stay healthy. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Screen is supposed to go black. You did it wrong.
Bye. I can't because it's on top of the thing here. There.
Good job.